This is the Ford Mustang Mach 1 in Jet Fighter Grey. Looks kind of green to me with black and orange decals, and I do love the orange bits. There's a lot going on with this car, but I'm going to stick to three things. Number one, a big part of the appeal is heritage. Mach 1's a performance and handling package that's been around since 1969. It was available right through to 1978, it had a bit of a rest, and then in 2003 Ford was so pleased with the reception of its special edition Bullet Mustang, it carried over some of that equipment into another Mach 1. In fact, pretty much the same thing happened with this most recent version. Ford brought out a Bullet Mustang in 2019 to celebrate 50 years of the movie, then extended that car into a new Mach 1, the first in 17 years. Number two, there's a lot of Shelby stuff. A lot of the breathing from the 5-litre V8 engine comes from Shelby. It pumps it right up to 358 kilowatts. That's even more than the 345 kilowatts of the Bullet Mustang, definitely more than the 339 of the standard V8. It rides on Shelby suspension, plus there's a fair bit of aero courtesy of a Shelby splitter, diffuser and under tray. Non-Shelby stuff, there's a sharper calibration for the steering, magnetic dampers, stiffer anti-roll bars and Brembo brakes. Inside you get Recaro seats and the cute cue ball gear shifter from the Bullet. That's what you get for your 98 grand. Number three, if you're very excited right now and reaching for the checkbook, sorry, you can't buy this Mach 1 anymore. In fact, all 50 cars allocated to New Zealand were sold before they even got here in 2021. Ford's kept this one last example. We had a chance for a last blast, would have been rude to say no. More to the point, this one's nearly obsolete. There's an all-new 7th gen Mustang on the way this year. Don't panic, there will still be a V8 and there will still be a manual. But will there be another Mach 1? Because the name's kind of transitioned into electric with the Mach E SUV. Maybe, can't wait to find out.
Find your car at driven.co.nz.